This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. Happy Friday. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU grad on July 18th. What a snooze fest it really was. I'm going to try to get through this episode fairly quickly, but I do want to cover the markets. The Dow was down 142 points. If you look at the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the ES, or S&P, after the lunchtime in New York, the range was very narrow across the board. And volume, while on par, was pretty tepid in the afternoon. Most of the volume happened early on. If you take a look at breadth numbers, we had 959 new highs on the NYSE versus 127 new lows, 39% advanced versus 56% declined, 28% below the 50, and 39% below the 200-day. Mixed bag on mega caps. Tesla was up the most, 3.1%, Amazon up 1%, Meta 0.4%, Alphabet 0.8%, Apple 0.58%. Microsoft was down a little, as well as Nvidia, both down about 0.3%. For leading sectors for the day, you had utilities up 1.5%. For the week, technology led 2.1%, and then utilities second place up 1.6%. Healthcare and energy did the worst this week as well as basic materials. That kind of sums up the macro, or like the big picture view. Looking at new highs on the NASDAQ for profitable companies, we actually had a lot. I'll give it that. We had 22, but a lot of the same names that we've been hearing, including Nvidia, Robinhood, SoFi, Coinbase, Microsoft. What else stuck out? Let's see. In the S&P to the upside, you had Invesco up 15%. Dell was up 6.2%. Regions Financial 6%. Vistra Energy 5.6%. In the NASDAQ 100, you had Constellation Energy 4.4%. Marvell Technology 3.7%. And Tesla, which I noted. To the downside, you had Molina Healthcare down almost 9%. Elevance Health down 8%. West Pharmaceuticals down 5.3%. And Netflix after earnings down 5.3% as well. In the NASDAQ, you have MicroStrategies down 5.1%, and Ansys down 4.6%. I did want to also thank, before I forget, both paying subscribers J. Roth and Turbo Laser Whack. Turbo actually wrote this a few weeks ago. I just hadn't seen it till now. And J. Roth also wrote this to me yesterday. And I want to thank you both for sharing these testimonials, as well as allowing me to publish them on the testimonials page. I'm not going to read it out loud. You can easily see it on the show notes. But I think Jay Roth's was really not surprising, but I would say compelling. And he talks a lot about how he has taken some of the learnings from the Substack and just ran with it. And he was able to really make a high watermark in his trading account with some, I don't take full credit, some of the lessons he learned from the Substack. So that's great news. That's what this is all about, is empowering each other, for me to share what I know that has worked for me in an intelligible / consumable manner where it's not overwhelming with jargon. So I'm glad I'm helping folks do that. So let's switch over to macro, the Mag 7, and a few of the setups that I talked about recently, and we'll call it a week.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to NotYourAdvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.